Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of waiting forever for your files to upload to Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today, in 2025, we're diving into how to make Google Drive upload faster. With the latest updates and tech optimizations, you can slash those upload times and get back to what matters. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. In 2025, most ISPs offer high-speed options, so switch to a wired connection if possible. Wi-Fi can be finicky and slow things down. Next, compress your files before uploading. Tools like WinZip or built-in options in Google Drive can reduce file sizes by up to 50%, making uploads lightning fast. For example, if you're dealing with large videos or images, converting them to more efficient formats like MP4 or JPEG will help. Another game changer is using the Google Drive desktop app. It's optimized for 2025 systems and allows background uploads, so you can keep working without interruptions. Also, schedule your uploads during off-peak hours, early mornings or late nights when servers are less crowded. Google Drive now has smart scheduling features in its settings, which you can enable with a few clicks. Don't forget to clear your cache and update your app regularly. Accumulated temporary files can bog down the process, and the latest 2025 updates include faster encryption and parallel uploading capabilities. If you're on a mobile device, enable data saver mode and make sure your phone isn't running too many apps in the background. By implementing these tips, you'll notice a significant improvement in upload speeds. Remember, always check your file types and sizes for the best results. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. See you in the next video.